The world has changed a lot in the past few decades, and we get that for someone in their middle stage of life, it can be quite a lot to experience and sort of recover. I remember talking to my mom about this, and she told me how in her 20s she was studying physics, and one of her professors mentioned that with some time in the future, time will come that we will be able to call each other long distance from any place in the world. We will be able to hear each other, see each other, and just all of that with some kind of boxes and wirelessly and not with the phones we have currently. And she was telling me that at that moment she didn't believe him and like that what he was saying. And well, let's see what we have right now in the world. In fact, we are able to call each other wirelessly and hear each other and see each other. And it's quite inspiring, but can also be overwhelming. That's why the goal of our company is to help people like you out, to explain the internet, current technology, and provide help and assistance. It will not only benefit you so you can be closer to your family, for example, but also it can open the world of new opportunities for you, for example, for additional income. Yes, we are talking about the fact that you can share your knowledge on certain topics and expertise, then you can make profit of it. But don't worry, it's nothing shady. It's very similar ways as you were doing before in the offline world, just switch to online. So today we're going to talk about how you can make your own guide or an ebook or some small shareable information, how to create it from scratch and where to post it. And first, you will obviously need your information and your main text of the guide or of the ebook. The topic can be honestly anything, and if you think that you don't have any ideas or any expertise, for example, let's say you are a stay-at-home mom, you can easily make some tips about home or finances or any things like this, because right now a lot of young people are interested in that, in supporting of the home, a lot of tips and life hacks of how we can make things easier. I don't know, how to save up more money. Maybe you saved up a lot for your kids' college. This can also be some of this. So even if you think that you don't have a lot of ideas or expertise, just digging into a lot of your own experiences, even at home, and there will be something that you can make up for a guide or an ebook. So for the text, it's very simple. Step 1, you have to open your Google Docs or Word or any other text editor. For example, I like to use Word in Google Docs. As you can see in the video, you just need to have your email address and you write Google Docs in the search bar and click the link, open the new document, and just write all the text, write all your heart out. If you're a bit unsure in the beginning whether it's a good idea or not, just write down everything that's on your mind, and later on you can just reread it, delete what you don't like, add anything more, and just format the text once again. Step number 2, after you are done with all of your texts, it's time to decide if you need any additional graphics, pictures, anything else for your guide or document. So just read and scan through the document, the text, and make some marks on what do you need to prepare. It can be any kind of illustrations to some steps, or maybe pictures of some companies, logos. Honestly, anything that you would believe would be beneficial for the person who is reading your documents to visualize what kind of concept you are talking about. Step number 3 is to prepare the graphics. It will definitely save you a lot of time in the further process, so just have a folder on your computer where you can upload all the pictures, all of the illustrations, and everything that you already prepared. And now, number 4, honestly my favorite part, to the visual part of it, to the editing, and for that we have a great tip for you. Use Canva. It's a free software that is very easy to use and very graphical and has a lot of ready templates and free resources. There's honestly as many things there as you would like to find and even more. And the best part is that it's free. There are some features for which you would need to have a pro account, but honestly, to start with, you can easily get away with the free features, especially if you don't want to pay anything extra. And you can do this guide and even many, many more. First, you would have to write Canva in the search bar. Go there, click the link, and set up the account. It's free. You can connect it with Facebook, with your email, or any other ones, or just log in separately. And then on the top And then on the top right bar, go to create a design, choose a template. For example, for an ebook, we can go with A4 format, and then you can search through the templates that are available there, anything that you like, move around, change the text, add new pages and stuff like this. Put it all together, some pictures, illustrations, anything else that you would like. And after that is done, it's time to upload it to Amazon or to create your own MailChimp sequence. And for that, we have a link for you in the description box to the next tutorial. Thank you so much for watching this video. We hope it was quite inspiring for you and gave you some ideas. Please let us know in the comments below if you would like to see more content like this. Don't forget that we also have our own guide, number 1, starting this whole journey about tutoring online, what kind of programs and softwares you would have and how to start and what to start with. It is made specifically for people in 40s and 50s who are not comfortable with technology but want to do it, and it's a great source of income that you can do from your own home. The link is in the description box for the guide. We wish you all the best. Have a nice day, evening, or night, and we will see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe.